In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually make roughly $50 every day. If you can do what I'm about to show you, you can make this money every day, all right, using this website Adsterra. Okay, one, you need to register on Adsterra. Adsterra is a website that people come in. There are two people coming to Adsterra: people that want to run advert and people that want to make money helping other people to run adverts. Meaning that if you have an advert, you can go to Adsterra, register as a publisher. Once you do that, you give them adverts. What they do is to help you give it to somebody that have a website or that have a social media account that can post the link on their account, and once people get to click on the link, they make money. You also make money. All right. Something like Google AdSense, something like that. So I'm going to be walking you through how you can make money through Adsterra in this video. So if it's this kind of video you're looking for online to make money online, then you are welcome home, because this place I always show you how to make money online. So if today is the first time, I just want to thank you so much. If you're part of the family already, I want to say thank you. Salute.
Hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you.
So let's go into the video right now. So the first one we're going to be clicking is the Adsterra. We're going to be making use of all of these websites that I've opened here. We're going to be making use of all of them. All right. So the first one I'm going to click right now is to click on the one that says Adsterra. All right. So, which is this one. I'm going to click on it. So when you click on Adsterra, what you need to do, right? This is a new account. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box. You can use it to register your Adsterra account. I'm going to be providing all the link in the description box of the video, so you use it. Right now, this account, I've already gotten 16 cents so far. It's a new account. So when you open Adsterra, it's very easy to sign up. Okay, so put in your email, your full name, your login details, your username, your password, your message, your payment option. Then click I have agreed or I've read through. Then after that, click on sign up. Once you are done with that, then you will log in like this. You're gonna see something like this to log in. So put in that login details, which is your email, then put in the password and click on log in. Now that you've logged in, next thing you want to do is that, like I said, if you have a website, you can create a link here, get your link here, put the code in your website so that advert can be showing on your website. But if you don't have a website, then this video is for you. I want to show you how you can do the self-clicking. You'll be clicking yourself. It has no negative impact on your account. Okay, now what you need to do is that, because they have an option for a direct link if you don't have a website. So now if you come here, you're gonna see so many of them. So what you want to do right now is to click on this one that says direct link. Okay, click on direct link and create a direct link for yourself. What do you do? So once you click on direct link, come here, you're gonna see all my direct links. I have about, so I have all these direct links. This one is under pending. I just initiated this one not quite long. Then watch, how do you create your direct link? Come to this site, and here you can say create direct link. Once you click on create direct link, because my direct link is still pending, so I can't create anyone. Once you click on create direct link here, they are going to ask you, is it an adult link that you want to create or non-adult? Just click on non-adult. So automatically when you click on non-adult, it's going to remove the erotic. So you can remove the erotic, then also remove the one that says gambling. So after which you've created your direct link, you're gonna see something like this. Pending is gonna pend for a while. Once it's pending, then allow them to approve it. Once you have been approved, then what you need to do next is to it's going to say approved. They're going to send you email, then you're going to see active like this. You can see active. Then after that, click on this copy to copy the link. So once you click on copy, it automatically copies the link. Then we go to the next website, link shortener website, so which is bit.ly. I believe you should know bit.ly.com. So when you come to bit.ly.com, scroll down, and here you're gonna see something that says shorten your link. So here just paste the link, and here click on shorten. So once you click on shorten, you're gonna see it like this. The link has been shortened. Then you see copy. Click on copy. Then after which you click on copy, then we go to the next website. And this is www.textconverter.io/repeat.test. If I click on it, you will see that. I'm gonna drop the link in the description box of the video. Come here and paste what you just copied, the link you shortened and copied. Once you paste it here, click on the front of it, then click your button, the down button, as if you want to write something down below it. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to show you like you want to write something here. So just minimize your keyboard and come down here where you have how many times do you want. Just put 10. You can even do 100. So once you put 10, then click on generate. So it's gonna give you 10. It's gonna copy, like duplicate your link in 10 places. So the next thing you just want to do, click on copy. So it says copy. Then we go to the next website, which is the last one. So this last website is called www.websiteplanet.com. I'm gonna also drop the link in the description box. So here you're gonna paste the link or the 10 links that you copied. So once you do that, then you're gonna click on this button that says open multiple URL. So it's gonna open all of them. It's to Adsterra. It's gonna see that you are doing. To them, it's gonna look like some people are opening your link. They are clicking on your link and they are checking the advert. So that's how it's going to appear to them. So you can see here, you can see that we have 14 links opened already, 14 tabs. So if I click on it, you're going to see that those ads, you see 14 ads have been opened. So what you just need to do is to cancel them. You don't really need them. You just repeat the same process over and over again, and boom, by the time you check, you've already gotten view on your ad. On your ad link. Okay, if I go to Adsterra, you can just go to Adsterra and click here and come to your statistics. Let me zoom it out a bit. Come to statistics, then use statistics to monitor how many views you're getting. Now to get more view, you can also just try to use those countries that have more CPM rates, like US, Canada, Australia, Switzerland. Just get VPN that you can use to change to just get more view, and you're good to go. Just now, you can see the date. I've gotten 21 impression in just by doing the ad, and the CPM is just 0.003 cents. Imagine on that. So revenue, I got no revenue because the view was so small. So what I just do is to repeat the same process over and over again, and boom, by the time you know it, you've already made some dollar for yourself.
Hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. Thank you so much. God bless you.
So that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this kind of the video you're looking for online, then this place is your home. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and if you have gotten value in this video, kindly give this video a like by pressing the button, the like button, and also drop a comment in the comment section and say like to make the money together, and all the link will be provided in the description of this video. Bye for now.